Hi there, meet the Dapper Supply Electric Spin Scrubber, a cordless cleaning brush designed to make housework easier. Its adjustable handle extends from 35.8 to 43.3 inches, allowing comfortable cleaning without bending over. With free speeds ranging from 280 to 440 RPM, you can tackle tough grime or delicate surfaces with ease. The scrubber offers 1 to 2 hours of continuous use on a single charge, plus a quick 3-hour recharge time. It includes 7 replaceable brush heads for versatile cleaning on various surfaces around your home. This tool helps you clean efficiently and reduces physical strain. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.